So hello, we are Team Unreality and we are presenting a user task flow for my project bhukkAR. It's an AR food menu and ordering app that we have developed using Unity, Euphoria and Google's XR engine. So first we are greeted with the home screen. As I click on continue, we move to the second screen which details all our users' dietary preferences, their weight, their nutritional preferences.
And if they have any allergies or conditions.
Okay, yeah. So and also we need allergen information and other basically other dietary preferences. As we click on save changes, we are greeted with the first menu item as presented on the image target on the table, and we can see the first dish, that's steamed chicken. We can see some nutritional information about that overlaid laid on top of the dish. So and it says tap to glance through options. So first I'll click on the side dish, that's the muffin. As I click on it, the side dish changes while every other thing remains same. So our goal with the app was to to engage users through clicks on using single hand. A lot of our competitors, they use paper menus, and we thought we should change that by introducing clicks and gestures that can be used using single hand only.
So all the natural interactions are mapped to this app.
Yeah, and if we move to the another QR code on the same table, we can see that we can see the dish that our friend might be ordering, and that's one of our possibilities that we are proposing for a collaborative AI thing. Let's move to the first QR code again. The dish appears again, and now let's change the main dish. So if we click on chicken, the whole dish changes, and we get salmon along with wine. Wine we cannot show that, but with the same side dish. If we click on salmon again, we move to another dish. Okay, it's a pizza, and accompaniment drink. We'll change the side dish. And yeah, so this is a basic walkthrough through our app. Hope you like it.